Hi, James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we're going to show you how to make your Lutron Caseta light switch a three-way switch. So this doesn't require any type of smart switching or any wiring at all. Very easy to do. There is a kit on Amazon that will allow you to mount these Lutron Caseta dimmers inside of any wall plate. Even if you don't have a box, you can just surface mount it like this and it will look built in. And there is a kit that also has a white backer that will eliminate any of those gaps. And it looks just like it was installed on the side of the wall, and it doesn't protrude at all. Nobody can tell the difference. So super easy to make any switch a three-way switch with the Lutron Caseta switches. They connect over RF, and the Lutron Caseta switch has a battery life of approximately 10 years. These are used in high-end commercial buildings, and they're also used in high-end smart homes. So in order to make it a three-way switch, you can see we already have the light switch installed. We've got another video that shows you how to do that. I'm going to throw this over the top here so we do not ruin the video. And all you're going to do is hold down for 6 seconds on the existing Lutron Caseta dimmer till it turns on and starts blinking. And now, in order to make this a three-way switch, I just hold on to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till this light starts to flash and the dimmer indicates that it is paired. Okay, that indicates that these are paired. I'm going to turn the light switch off, and you can now see that the dimmer is working, and we have a three-way switch for the Lutron Caseta system set up. These can reliably be used as a three-way switch, and just here's an example. But there also is a kit that will eliminate those gaps, and you can surface mount this. You don't have to create any kind of holes or anything, and it will look identical to a built-in switch. Kind of give you the idea there. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and you can also see it's still working.